Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Sorry for these many days delay. So our topic is about Doji today. Topic is about Doji today, how to trade a Doji. Part 8, class 8. Okay, we need to find a Doji. Okay, here we have Doji, right here we have Doji. I will mark this Doji like this. When it broken, there is a green candle. When it green broken, there is a red candle. Okay, found like just take Doji in ranging market. Okay, just take Doji in ranging market. This is ranging market, right? Ranging market, right? This is ranging market. So I found Doji here. This is my Doji. I mark Doji's downside is a support level and upside is a resistance level. Okay, when Doji broken downside, there is a continued candle. When Doji broken support and resistance both, there is a opposite candle and continuation candle. We take continuation candle trade. Okay, we take continuation candle trade. When Doji broken, there is opposite candle. When Doji broken, there is opposite candle. Here in same scenario, when Doji broken, there is opposite candle. When Doji broken, there is a MTG1 candle. When Doji broken, there is a opposite candle. Here Doji got respected. When upper side of Doji broken, there is a opposite candle. When Doji fully broken, we lost trade here. If we have safe entry, we can win here. Okay, here Doji condition got changed from here to here. If you seen a up movement, don't trade. Okay, this is momentum candles. These are momentum candles, so don't trade in this scenario for downside. Okay, trend is always your friend. Okay, when again Doji broken, there is MTG1 candle. There is Doji broken, there is a direct trade. Doji broken, direct trade. Doji broken, MTG1 trade. Okay, this is the how to trade. This is the way to trade a Doji. Okay, let's check same conditions in another Doji. Okay, same conditions in another Doji. I have Doji right here. I will mark resistance level. Here is my downside. Okay, the Doji broken, opposite trade on this level, and Doji here broken, there is opposite trade. There is Doji broken, MTG1 trade. This is how you trade a Doji. I have seen Doji one more right here. This is my downside and this is my upside. Okay, when Doji broken, direct trade. Doji got respected here, so it's a still working Doji. When market, this is NF candle today, if market comes to that level here, when it broken, you can trade for opposite trade. Okay, that's it for today video. If you have any doubts, message me on Telegram. Join Telegram for more updates. There I am giving signals, sure back-to-back trades and compound signals for free. You can join and make money in my Telegram channel. Okay, there is a course called advanced and master level trading. You can join if you want to earn good money, and if you want to complete masters in trading, you can join them. That's it for today. Love you everyone. Bye.